A group of colorful little blocks collided with each other. In an instant all the blocks turned yellow. At that moment one little block in the center had a problem. It changed from yellow to purple, then started twitching all over and turned black. The surrounding blocks were terrified, immediately changed color, and sent out an emergency distress signal. This world is made up of block people. It used to be all gray, whether it was buildings, cars or houses. Even all the block people were the same gray color. The roads were jammed every day. The whole city felt lifeless, until one day two little blocks accidentally bumped into each other. Then something magical happened. One turned red, the other turned green. This amazing change instantly drew a crowd of block people to watch. As more and more block people gathered, Little Green nervously pulled Little Red's hand. With one tug they both turned yellow. This magical moment sparked everyone's curiosity. Then the two nearest blocks decided to try, held hands and gave it a squeeze. To their surprise they also turned yellow. Now everyone couldn't sit still. All began to imitate. They had lived for so long, but never realized they had the power to change color. From then on, all the block people began to let loose. They changed into different colors based on their preferences. Some creative blocks grouped together and turned themselves into traffic lights, efficiently organizing the city. The once congested roads suddenly became smooth and orderly. Gray was no longer the only color of the city. With the addition of vibrant colors, students' imaginations went wild. Originally dull classes became lively and fun. To them now, life was no longer boring and monotonous. Sometimes they would gather to throw color parties. The whole city was filled with joy. But if someone accidentally partied too hard, suddenly froze and collapsed, the other blocks would instantly change colors and trigger emergency signals. Medical personnel receiving the signal turned into red and blue sirens, drove the ambulance out at full speed. The roads were completely clear, and they quickly arrived at the scene. They placed their hands on the black block and turned yellow, then linked up with other block people to channel energy, directing all the power into the black block. Soon the black block came back to life. All the little blocks cheered in excitement. They held hands and started a new round of color dancing.